The client-side exception has occurred error in DoorDash arises on your device, not DoorDash's servers. It's often a JavaScript error within the app's WebView, a mini browser used for displaying web content like menus or during checkout. This WebView uses your device's browser engine, Chromium on Android, WebKit Safari on iOS. The error usually occurs due to corrupted temporary files or outdated scripts stored by the WebView. This can disrupt placing orders, accessing your account, or processing payments. Addressing this involves clearing that temporary data or refreshing the WebView to reset its environment. First, clear DoorDash's cache and data via your device's settings. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, Storage, then Clear Cache and Clear Data. On iOS, delete and reinstall the app. Second, ensure both DoorDash and your device's WebView component are up to date. On Android, update Google WebView through the Play Store. On iOS, update apps via the App Store. Finally, try restarting the DoorDash app. Force close it and reopen to clear potentially corrupted files and ensure compatibility. If using an external browser, disable extensions. These steps resolve most instances of this error.